Welcome to another Sourcegraph user training tutorial. In this video, I'll introduce you to code monitors. Sourcegraph code monitors allow you to keep track of and get notified about changes in your code. Code monitors run search queries over every new commit and sends out a notification when new results for the query are detected. Some common use cases for code monitors include getting notifications for potential secrets, anti-patterns, migrations, or vulnerabilities committed to your codebase. In today's tutorial, I will be creating a code monitor to track a Go version upgrade for a repository. Let's get started. On the Sourcegraph homepage, click on Monitoring. This will bring me to the code monitor view where I can find existing code monitors or create a new code monitor. To create a new code monitor, click on this button on the top right-hand corner. Code monitors are made up of two elements, triggers and actions. The trigger is a search query you will want to monitor over time. We are constantly monitoring this search query, and if new results are added to the new list of commits, Sourcegraph will trigger one of the actions below. The first step to creating a new code monitor, we'll need to provide it a name. Let's go ahead and name our code monitor today Go Upgrade. After providing this code monitor a name, let's move on to the next step where we'll create a trigger. For today's trigger, we'll be tracking changes made to our Go module file. In this case, we are upgrading Go to version 1.19. Constructing the search query will have three requirements. First, it needs to be a literal or regex search. Second, it needs to contain a type diff or type commit filter. The reason behind this is because the code monitor is monitoring new code changes being added to our code host. And the third is it needs to be a valid search query. After you construct a search query, you can click on Preview Results to see if the search query is valid. Now let's get started with constructing the search query. First, I'm going to add a file filter here to track my Go mod files. Next, I'm going to add the pattern type filter. Now I'm going to add the repo filter to specify which repo this search is going to run on. Lastly, I'm going to add the type filter. Now I can preview results to see if this is a valid search or not. We do see it's a valid search here, so let's go ahead and click continue. Now that I've added the trigger, I'll need to choose an action on how to receive a notification. Under actions, we have three different options. We can either send this notification via email or send the notification to a Slack channel. This option will require a webhook configuration. The last option is sending the notification via webhook. All you need to do is provide the webhook URL to send the JSON payload to. In today's tutorial, we'll be sending our notification via email. So I'll select the Send Email Notification option. I'll go ahead and click Continue here, which will send this notification to my email. And with that, I can go ahead and create my new code monitor. Now that I've created this code monitor, I want to test it out. Moving to our GitHub code host, I created a Go upgrade pull request and merged it. Let's check our email to see if our code monitor sent us a notification. Yep, as you can see, the code monitor was able to send us an email notification about our latest code migration. In the email notification, the code monitor also provides a URL to view the change in Sourcegraph. Going back to the code monitor's view, if you ever need to mute the code monitor to stop getting notifications, you can toggle it on or off. If you ever need to troubleshoot a code monitor, click on the Logs tab to view the code monitor logs to see if the monitor is able to detect the set trigger. To find more information on how to use code monitors, click on the Getting Started tab to find more code monitoring examples, or head over to our code monitoring documentation page. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. Be sure to check out the other training videos available when you need help or guidance using Sourcegraph.